All right. Hey guys. So today we're gonna be doing some really fun stuff. Say what's up, Key. So what we're doing today is getting this awesome box that we got from the guys here at Circuit Werks, and this exhaust system you're about to see is about to go on that, and it's gonna be awesome. So shout out to Chase, shout out to the guys at Pride Exhaust who are also part of Circuit Werks, and yeah, let's get this guy in here. See, got some tips, got our Y, resonator, big old muffler pipe thing, and then the downpipe, which I have beautifully wrapped in here. These guys did an amazing job getting this all prepared and getting it shipped here safely. So if you're ever worried about, man, I don't know about getting a full Turboback exhaust sent to me, it's pretty easy, and you can lift it. So, you know, people always like to see some welds. Let's get it going. All right, so under here we've got this downpipe, an O2 sensor and whatnot that's been there since, I don't know, probably 3 months of owning the car. So we're replacing this setup that, you know, I more or less mocked together back to our OEM catback. And got these dusty tips. So we gotta change all this up. So we're gonna get rid of this guy first. There's 14 on there. Well, I guess that's a 15. So whoop.
Basic disappointment.
That's me getting covered in AC water.
Ew.
Are you a 16? Dusty. Should rock this down.
You need 2 hands?
Huh?
You need 2 hands? Huh?
Yeah, if you want to hold the exhaust up. There you go. Thank you. Okay, never mind. You hold it again. Oh.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, that's never enough. I'm gonna have to take this down anyways. Okay. Pull back towards you. Try rotating to like the left. No? Okay. Odd.
Alright, well, I just don't got the finagling. Hopefully something was caught on camera. That was useful.
Okay. So, through much energy, we have our OEM unit out. We've got the new unit ready to go in. Feeling strong? Can we get a flex for the cam? Can we get a right arm flex for the cam? That's what I'm talking about. All right. Shout out to Nikon. Okay. So underneath here, we've got pretty much all of it out, with the exception of the original downpipe. So that'll be the next part. All right. So old downpipes off, new pipes ready to go. We got the hangers on the rear part set to go. We got the subframe off. Shout out to the guys at Super Pro. We got the new sway bar put inside here. Now, we gotta go put this all together. That's what's next. Cannot wait till I get some coilovers in back here. So, it's gonna be dope. Well, it was that easy. Thank you. I appreciate that. Alright, so this is gonna go right there. And I'll put the other one in there right now. I got the bolt. Boom. Ready. Hey, you guys using my parts without my permission? Of course. That's like the only way we know how to use your shit.
Not even close?
Yeah, you're actually really close.
Because I can't see anything I'm doing right now.
You're doing a great job, though. I'll tell
You
you
look
that.
really cool on this video.
Son of a bitch.
Alright, come on.
I'm coming!
I can help.
Pause.
What are you fucking doing over there?
I don't know. Got fucking wobble bolts on this bitch.
You should have changed jobs.
We should have changed stuff. Alright. They're not 18 millimeters. I don't know what this. I don't know.
I was coming to help.
Here, it's in my pocket.
In your pocket.
You're so shitty.
Right here. Fucking. Where are you?
15. You got 16 somewhere?
Yeah, 16 is over. We need a 1/2 inch, right? Or do you have a 3/8? Hmm? Oh, should we put the steering control shit back in? Or you just do it later? Yeah, the steering control. Yeah. come go this way. Keep going. I won't let you go anymore. Okay. That's fine. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something. Hold this. Here, switch with me. Yep. There you go. Yep. Slide that bitch right over. Yes, Key.
I can only get so much leverage on it.
Oh, damn. It's tight, too.
Very, very tight.
Okay. So, hold thought. Yellow.
I was gonna say that there's a screwdriver right on the floor there.
No, I'm gonna use the my yellow pliers.
Don't touch it. I need a sip of my beer.
Your thing.
Job, boy.
There we go. I'm not even a mechanic.
Fucking yeah, dude.
Good job.
Fuck yeah.
That's tight too.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just a drunk welder. That's all I am.
That's all we needed.